complete the the blinding. Everything is on ground now for the building to take place. Everything is on ground, from this gravel to the sharp sand to blocks, the cement. Everything is on ground. So now we are just waiting for them to finish what they are doing, so that we can continue with the building aspect. So that's what we have here for now. And do you know, if the foundation is not strong enough, the building cannot stand on its own. The building of a farm depends on the foundation, how strong the foundation is. That's why you can see we are focusing on our foundation here, so that it's strong. It should be very strong, so that we can build. We can lay the blocks very well. That's it. Yes, and I know you will be learning a lot from this channel, and I know you will be gaining more from this channel. And you have to pay attention on every step. You don't need to skip the video. You need to pay attention. You don't need to skip the video, or you won't get a lot of things. Okay, thank you for watching this particular video. The next video will be coming out in 2 days time. Just keep in touch with us so that you can watch this video. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, subscribe so that you can get more of our videos. The next video will be on